guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So we ladies most of the time watch lots and lots of DIY videos to treat our skin, to treat our hair and to treat our body, but often we fail to implement them in our real life because of two main reasons. One is that we find it really difficult to gather all the ingredients and create a DIY pack, and the second reason is that we don't find time. So ladies, I have got a very good solution for you all in this video, so please do watch this video till the end. Now what if I tell you guys that you yourself can create a DIY pack at home with all the ingredients available in the kit? Yes, you heard me right. So today I'm going to introduce one super amazing brand who will give you a kit which has all the ingredients to make the perfect DIY, and here it is. So I have got this amazing DIY kit from the brand Indus Valley. It's a bio-organic kit, and this particular brand has lots of DIY kit options. You can choose any based on your preference. They have got range of DIY kits. They have got hair care kits, they have got body care, they have got skin care, they have got face care. So all the DIY kits which they are having are really gonna help you out to prepare a perfect DIY pack. So the one which I got today is this body polishing and body scrubbing pack. So this has got no chemicals in it. This is 100% organic DIY kit. It has got no chemicals, no artificial flavors, and nothing harmful. This has got all natural ingredients added to it. The best part is that one kit can be used for 6 times. So and here they have given us all the ingredients which we'll have to use to prepare our DIY pack. So I'm going to quickly show you like what is inside this pack, but before moving on, we have got another amazing product from them, and that is like my to-go product for every day. I just can't imagine a proper skin care without this product, and it is nothing but aloe vera gel. So yes, aloe vera is my personal favorite. I use it every day at least twice because this has got really good benefits. It suits your skin, it keeps your skin fresh, and it is a best moisturizer. I use this as a moisturizer for my skin, and I just can't go without aloe vera. So please guys, do check out their aloe vera gel as well. This has got a recipe book inside, which is definitely going to help you out to mix the ingredients in proper portions. Otherwise, you'll never know like how much you have to mix. This recipe book is going to be really helpful. And then next they have given Epsom salt. So this is 100% pure Epsom salt. It has got no artificial color, no added chemical, and this is 50 grams pack. And then they have sent us this Himalayan salt. This is also pure Himalayan salt, and this is again 50 grams, and this has got no artificial flavor added, no harmful chemicals guys. And then they have given us this aloe vera gel. Again, here in this kit the aloe vera gel is there, and this is 50 ml aloe vera gel. And then they have given us olive massage oil. Wow, olive oil is like really good for your skin, and they have given us this olive oil, and along with that they have given us cold pressed almond oil. Like this is really great guys. Both the oils are super effective for your skin. And then let me check what is there. So here they have given essential oil, lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is like very soothing, so I really love this entire kit. There are 26 recipes given in this book. Now let's quickly check out one recipe from this booklet. Now I'm going to follow the first recipe from the booklet. So inside the salt boxes also some recipe booklets are given. You can use those recipes also with the salt. And now I have taken a glass bowl. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of both the salts, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and then 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Along with that, I'm going to add a few drops of essential oil, like 7 to 8 drops, and I'm going to mix the mixture completely, and then I'm going to take the mixture and apply it on my body. MRP of this kit is 546 rupees. Ready, and I'm going to quickly apply this on my hands and show it to you guys because this is my first experience with this kit. I'm super excited because it was so much fun to prepare the own DIY kit with the ingredients provided. Please try to prepare a fresh mixture whenever you're planning to use it. Do not prepare the mixture in advance. Do not make the paste in advance and store it because it's not recommended. I am taking the scrub and I'm going to apply it on my hands. Now I have washed my hand. I'll just wipe it off. I don't know if you are able to see it on camera, but I can feel that my skin has become so soft, and also I have got that shiny look on my skin, and I'm really loving it. So this is so nice, guys. It makes the skin look really fresh, as if all the impurities and dirts have gone, and also that shiny look to the skin is like that's true. Like the body polishing, definitely it has left my skin very shiny, smooth and fresh. So I really love it. Now after application and after washing off your scrub, you have to apply aloe vera gel. Usually aloe vera gel is applied to soothe your skin and to make your skin very much moisturized, so it acts like a moisturizer. Now let me quickly apply the aloe vera gel. The smell is really good and the texture also looks really cool. So I'm just gonna take little bit of aloe vera gel and I'm going to apply it on my hand. It smells really nice and my hand is totally moisturized now. I can feel the that satisfying glow and that satisfying soothing which it has led my skin to, and I'm really loving this product. You can see the difference. Can you see that shiny glow on this left hand? So guys, I actually tried one of the recipe which was mentioned in this booklet, and it was body polishing and scrubbing recipe. Now you can use this pack for two more things. One is teeth whitening, and for teeth whitening they have given the ingredients a mixture here. You have to mix it in a proper way and you will get the best results. So try using that. I'm really excited to check out the teeth whitening recipe, and I'm very sure like it is gonna turn out really amazing. And the other recipe which they have mentioned is hair softener and hair detangler spray. So this is also DIY, guys. It's gonna sort out your hair problem also. So this acts like a 3-in-1. So I really hope that you guys found this video to be really helpful. So please do click on to the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing and interesting video. Thank you Indus Valley, thank you Bio Organic for sending this beautiful DIY kit. I'm really in love with it. So do check out, guys. It's really a worthy and effective DIY kit to try for.